Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, and this is a flip through of a little journal that I made, and I just made it for myself. It's tied shut with sari silk, and the spine is covered with sari silk. Oopsie. Guess I got a hold of that, didn't I? And then when you open it up, there's these sweet little birds. I left this blank intentionally. And then you just flip through and there's pockets. More pockets, and there's lots of writing pages in here. This is all custom dyed paper that I dyed. And then there's an envelope here. And some more pockets. And another sweet bird. And some custom dyed paper. It's just a little book. And this is the center of this signature. This is a hidden paper clip, or an altered paper clip, and it holds the ticket or the tag in there. I really like this picture too. And then that's the end of that one. There might be one more, but anyway. And then there's this picture, which is one of my favorites. And then a great big tag. And now this tag, when you get it out, I've stenciled it, and it goes like this, and then it goes like this, and you can write on it. And then I stenciled the back as well. So that goes in there. And there's more writing space, more writing papers. And here's a belly band. I gotta put some gems in there, I forgot. And holding a tag. Maybe I'll put the tag up here so I remember to go back to this page. And then, like I said, it's mainly a writing journal. This is my center picture for the center of the second signature. And then you just go through, and it's kind of the same as the writing, pages and all. And here's a big writing card and a postcard. And I just thought it was kind of pretty, and that I would show it to you. Now, there's no tutorial for this book except for the 2 short series that I did, all these pages, where I showed you how to sort pages and get them all ready to make your journal. That was these pages. And then all this ephemera was on the ephemera that I put in the book, and how you decide where and how to do that. Okay, so that's it for this, and I will see you in the next video, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Bye-bye.